Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So as you guys may know, so this is a little bit of a different scene today. So we have, what do we have in here? Ooh, it sounds like we have the Tesla Tequila. So I think this is a Tesla Tequila. Hopefully it is, because if I'm posting it on the channel, it is. So let's get to unboxing it. This is exciting. As you guys know already, I'm obsessed with everything Tesla. So let me show you what this is. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. And voila. Okay, so as you guys see, it comes, you get your package, your details and stuff like that. So you can, this is basically the invoice, but because of privacy, I don't want to put my information on the internet. I'm gonna cover this up. Okay, so we also get this empty box and the bad boys here. Boom, 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 boom. And then this is just the empty box, and this is the actual tequila right here. Go. Whew. And it's in Tesla's fashion, they always have to be classy with everything. So this is what the package looks like. Very, very nice. I love the design. Look at that. Elon, you did it again, man. It's my guy. All right, so this is what the package is like. So let's open it up. It's the top. What it looks like. And then it comes in, and obviously this little packet here. And you have the comes with a little note, and voila! What do we have here? Boom, 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 boom. So we got a tequila here. I love this bottle. Oh my god, this is like so great. It looks amazing. That is so nice. So this would be a nice addition, nice backdrop for the studio. So that it comes in this. This is what it looks like, great. And then this is the stand. This is the stand for it. You guys wanna see that? You have the Tesla logo right there. This is the stand. I think it's genius. My guy Elon is doing his thing. This is probably the most expensive bottle of anything I've ever paid for, but I love it. I'll give Elon my money anytime, any day. So put this right here. Put it right here. It looks. Ooh, I think I have to flip it around. Oh, okay, this way. There you go. You see, I made that mistake. So this is what it's supposed to look like. So this is tequila. I'm gonna put it right here. And this is the empty box. This is what the empty box looks like. Just empty box. And it comes with the little instruction on how to open it, and you have the empty pack here, and you have the box, and that is pretty much it. And right here, there you go. This is the box. Let me bring it close so you guys can check it out. This is the box. It's good. And then that is that. And this is what you guys are here to watch. This is the Tesla Tequila. I think the design is great. The design is amazing. That's what it looks like on both sides. That is great. There you go.